Good morning, guys. Cole Mrozak here with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're looking at the all-new, brand-new 2027 Isuzu NPR HD gas. This has the 6.6 liter GM gas engine. It's got 350 horsepower paired up with a 6-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, it's got the famous cab over design that Isuzu is so well known for. This is a crew cab, so it seats 7. Perfect for landscape applications, construction applications, moving applications, so on and so forth. This particular truck does have a 16-foot landscape body with the split dovetail ramps off the back. So let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of the cab real quick. All right, so stepping into the captain's seat here, you have your tilt telescopic steering wheel. My personal favorite feature is the 7-inch touchscreen display with Bluetooth capabilities. It has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can go hands-free when displaying your maps, taking phone calls, or listening to music. Up front here, it seats 3. You have 4 seated in the back, so 7 total. Again, middle seat folds down into a working station. You got overhead storage, power door locks and windows, and remote heated mirrors, so you can control the mirrors from the driver's seat. They're actually up here, these little knobs. It's a safety feature. It allows you to be more flexible on the go. I prefer it, as do many of our customers. So I'll come around and we'll take a look at the business end of the truck. So as I mentioned before, this is a landscape body. It's enclosed. We call it the Vanscaper build. So it's 16 feet long, 85 inches tall, and 91 inches wide. That is our standard spec. You have a 2-foot taper here off the back with expanded steel, stirrup step right here with the expanded metal on it as well for added grip. The split dovetail ramps we fabricate in-house at our IP Truck body shop. We have done this through 40 years of research working in this area. So we've fabricated these to accommodate our customers and their needs. They have heavy-duty springs on them, as well as heavy-duty steel. So they're built to last. All you really need to replace on these is the springs, which you can, of course, we can provide you from our body shop. So I'll take a walk up here on the ramp. As I mentioned, it's 16 feet long by 85 inches tall. We have three-quarter inch plywood lining all the way around, so it's drill ready. Steel scuff going all the way around to protect the walls from zero turns and push mowers. And then we have 4 vents, so 2 in the front and 2 on the rear roll-up door. So the gas and fuel can escape and not build up on the inside. And it does have an aluminum roof as well. That translucent roof tends to crack under the Texas heat, so we always prefer an aluminum roof. So, as we discussed, the 16-foot body can turn into a rolling billboard, guys. Turn your driving dollars into marketing dollars. Get with us. We do work with various wrap and decal companies in the area. We can help build that into your payments as well. Isuzu does offer a program rate on the N-Series gas. Go ahead and inquire about that if that's something you're interested in as well. Again, guys, this is the 2027 Isuzu NPR HD, a 14,500 pound gross vehicle weight rating truck that's well under CDL. My name's Cole. Give us a call. Visit us at Industrial Power. Thank you.